I just got some little bits in for summer, so I thought I would unbox them with you guys because I have a much larger haul coming on my YouTube. It might already be up actually by the time you guys see it, but I want to share with you guys little bits because there's stuff I'm very excited for. This is from the Aritzia Clientele sale. It is just one of their essential, like butter essential tanks, camis by Golden. It's kind of workout wear, athleisure. I have been in my hot girl walk era, so I have been looking for little tops and stuff to kind of easily throw on. I fear because this doesn't have any sort of lining or anything, it might have to be a bra and top situation, which is a little disappointing, but this material, this butter material, is so comfy and so soft, or even just like as a layering piece maybe she'll work, but like that. I feel like the last couple summers, but definitely since the end of lockdown, I feel like I have really shifted my style to not 100% timeless pieces or classic pieces, but I definitely have been very consistently inspired by like Nancy Meyers movies, like The Parent Trap, and like 90s Ralph Lauren and stuff like that, and like Rachel Green's style when she worked at I say Ralph Lauren, sorry, it's Ralph Lauren. Somebody did correct me on saying Ralph Lauren, and I actually don't know where I picked up saying Ralph Lauren versus Ralph Lauren, but yeah, anyways, sorry if I slip on that, but try not to show you. I got this, it's from Wimbledon. Ooh, not because I necessarily feel some strong pull towards Wimbledon. I did like the crest, but I have been looking at this style of sweater from Ralph Lauren. It is the like short sleeve cable knit cotton sweater with all the buttons up the center. I thought this was very cute. So yeah, that is everything that I got. And the tank top from Aritzia is currently on sale for Clientele. Clientele ends Sunday the 22nd. I'll probably post this as soon as I edit it. And then I believe the sale opens to the general public on Monday the 23rd. And there are a couple exclusions, I believe, from the private sale that are not going to happen during the public sale. But most everything that I have on my YouTube from this, and then also that tank, is going to be on sale. Yeah, so excited about this. Should I try it on? Let me try this on for you guys. It's so cute. I love it. It fits exactly how I was expecting it to in my mind. You know, sometimes when you see something on the model and you're like, oh, I really like that, and then you put it on your own body and you're just like, that was unexpected. This fits how I want it to. I really like it. If I do end up going like out east or something this summer where it is a little bit cooler at night, this would be so perfect for that like in between time when it's a little bit too chilly to wear something like strappy, but I don't want to wear something like a full long sleeve, and I think it's perfect. Okay, that's everything. I hope you guys liked this, and yeah, we're slowly defrosting our personality because it's summer, and I do best in summer. If you guys haven't figured out, like when I was in Asia in December when it was like 30 degrees every day, I was living my best life. And so now that it is summer here and will hopefully be 30 degrees every day soon, I will live my best life.